Hi everybody, I'm Nicholas, and today I'll be teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. To do it, you need to know the two ways of how to turn it. The first is clockwise, which is the positions you go on the clock turns. The second is counterclockwise, which is turning the clock the opposite way. Now that you know the two moves, it's time to learn cube notations. The side that you have over here is the front side. If you move it clockwise, it's F. And if you go F prime, that's moving the front side counterclockwise, like this. If you move the right face clockwise like this, that's R. And if you move this right face counterclockwise, that's R prime. If you move this left face clockwise, that's L. If you move the left face counterclockwise, that's L prime. If you move this down face clockwise, that's D. If you move the down face counterclockwise, that's D prime. When you see this top face, that's the up. You want to move it. If you move this clockwise, that's U. And when you move the up face counterclockwise like this, that's U prime. And when you move this back side, it's called B, and you're moving it clockwise. And if you move this counterclockwise, that's called D prime. Now that you know the cube notations, it's time to learn which side is which. It's easy. All you have to do is tell by the centerpiece, because it never moves no matter how much I twist and turn. This is the white side, this is the red side, this is the blue side, yellow, green, orange, and blue side. Another fact about it is that the white side's always going to be the opposite of the yellow side, orange always opposite of red, and the green side is always going to be the opposite of the blue side. If the centerpiece never moves, it's always going to be a centerpiece. So is an edge piece and a corner piece. There's 3 layers of the Rubik's Cube. The first layer, which is the bottom, the second layer, which is the middle, and the third layer, which is the top. A Rubik's Cube has these parts. A corner piece has 3 pieces with it. An edge piece has 2. And a center piece has none.